Music and sports together, that's what we've always talked about. It was fresh, dude. Punk rock was still kind of fresh. People were still real curious about action sports.
We were the first tour to bring freestyle motocross to the public. Those guys made rock stars look like babies.
We were the guys in black with spikes. It was the beginning of Metal Militia.
They had a guy jump out of a cannon.
Super Dave would get in the cannon and be shot 200 feet across the two main stages and land on a net on the other side.
All of a sudden, some band's playing and some guy comes flying over the top of the stage, you know, no hands on his motorcycle.
I remember we'd set the ramps just different ways and jump over the crowd, we'd jump over the bands, like whatever, like stuff that probably wouldn't be allowed now. It was gnarly.
The music always pushed you to go to the next level. You're waiting for that part in the song to be like, I'm going next.
It was always cool because we'd go watch them and they'd come and, you know, come up on stage.
As an artist, they're expressing how they feel. We were just using bikes and skateboards to express how we felt.